Today we're going to freshen up the look of the front end of this 2011 Mustang GT with a set of 2018 style projector headlights. These custom headlights will be direct replacements for the factory headlights on all 2010 through 2012 Mustangs when not equipped with a factory HID option. They feature a clear lens and a black housing for more of a smoked look, and feature projectors, daytime running lights, and sequential turn signals. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands or ramps, 1/4-inch ratchet, 7mm socket, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, small flathead screwdriver, and wiring tools. To install new headlights in your 2010 through 2012 Mustang, you will have to remove your front bumper cover. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the radiator cover so we get to the top screws and then work our way underneath. I'll remove these two screws, going to be one on each side. Okay, now down on both wheel wells, we're going to remove these two screws. Moving underneath, we're going to remove our belly pan screws. Okay, now we can carefully remove our bumper. It's held on by clips. Just give it a good pull over here. So you gotta shimmy just a little bit. Get to unplug all your harnesses. Okay, with the bumper off, now we can access these two lower bolts, then the upper bolt, and remove our factory headlights. Okay, now pop this little push pin at the top here. Remove the headlight. Now, I kept this socket here because we will actually need this for our new headlights. You want to disconnect it and get rid of the factory bulb and install the socket in our new lights. On the back of the headlight, this plug here is going to plug into this factory socket. Lock that into place. This plugs into your factory headlight, and this is for the daytime running lights. You want to make sure this is accessible on the back of the headlight. The wiring harness is included. We'll have to connect this to switched power. Everything will plug into the factory plugs. And then reinstall the original hardware. Now repeat the process with the other headlight. The headlight's installed, now we can wire up the DRLs. It comes with the harness. We'll start by fishing the harness over to the driver's side light, so we're going to make our connection on the passenger side. I'm just going to follow this factory harness that goes over since it'll be covered by the radiator cover anyway. We'll plug in the passenger side. Okay, you need to find a switched power source. So the DRLs are only on when the headlights are on. We have this wire here for our intercooler pump. Just gonna carefully just strip a little bit of this. Now, it does come with a quick connect. I would probably say this wouldn't be a bad idea to actually solder this. but you can use the Connect if you want. I'm going to test it, make sure everything works. Let's try everything out. We'll start with the ignition on for the DRLs. We'll check our headlights. And then check the turn signals. All right, everything works. Now we can put our bumper back on the car. And your installation's finished. The 2018 projector style headlights are a huge visual upgrade over the factory lights on this car. The DRLs are amazingly bright and the sequential turn signals look absolutely killer. As far as the bulbs go, it does include headlight bulbs. If it was my car, I'd probably get a whiter bulb for the headlight and a whiter bulb for the fog light, and you'd really have a modern looking front end. As far as the installation goes, it's a little time consuming because you do have to remove the bumper, but overall it should take you about 2 hours. Be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.